can you tell us a little bit about why or how you first got involved in the South Asian community?
So I actually grew up in a really small town in southern Illinois where I was the only person of color for pretty much the 18 years that I went to school there. So I went to college and kind of found I guess my Indian roots. I'd always been exposed to my Indian roots and so forth, but I went to college and it was a great experience and got to be exposed to it even more. And then when I went back to the private sector, I worked in Indianapolis for a pharmaceutical company. And Indianapolis is a fine city, but just not a lot of diversity present. And then came up to Chicago, went to law school, and then came back. And I really felt like if I was going to, I knew I wanted to do immigration law, and I really felt that there was a lot of need in the South Asian community. And so I felt that I should once again reconnect and be able to give back to the community that I am from, and that, and you know, if there's such a great need, then I should be willing to go in and serve that need. So that's kind of how I decided that I didn't want to just go into some other nonprofit or some other agency doing immigration law. I wanted to really make sure that I was focusing in on the South Asian community.